Popular Hanover political activist and blogger Craig Oates has been charged with assault following an altercation at the Electoral Office of Jamaica's Nomination Day briefing in Hanover on Thursday. Now, Oates, who once sought to represent Hanover Eastern on the People's National Party ticket, later switched allegiance to the Jamaica Labour Party after losing that bid. Now, police say he and EOJ official Kevin Spence were involved in a heated exchange that turned physical, forcing the meeting to end early. Both men are now facing charges. This year's installment of the KEPR MP Phillips Scholarship promises to grant a hefty sum in the form of book vouchers for students. Kevin Black has the details.
The People's National Party, PNP, is reportedly distributing millions of dollars worth of book vouchers to students who have done well in the primary exit profile PEP examinations. Speaking at his annual back-to-school function, opposition spokesman on science and technology Philip Paulwell told the news team that the administration has many similar initiatives that will be implemented if they regain power.
Today we are dealing with the scholarships, the back-to-school support, and come after the 3rd of September, we will be distributing over $5 million worth of book vouchers.
He says the initiative is a direct response to the high cost of living.
So this year we're going to be spending over $5 million for book vouchers, and those are going to be distributed right after the election.
Paulwell says once his administration takes over, individuals who are the first in their family to attend college will receive special scholarships.
We are committed, once we form the government after the 3rd of September, that all of those students who are the first in their families to be going to a tertiary institution will be going free of cost. They're going to be getting a full scholarship from the government of Jamaica, led by a new government of the People's National Party.
Kevin Black reporting for